Hi guys, this is Lewis from Well, and today we are playing Minecraft. We're gonna build a castle.
I don't know how.
Castle walls. We're gonna have nature. Of course, it looks more fabulous.
A more real.
Yeah. Then,
Got to prepare.
yeah. Then,
Like hard.
no, we're gonna have easy,
Peaceful.
peaceful. Sorry.
No, it's village.
And you have to build trees around your thing, so like camel. And there's only gonna be chain armor, so whenever we get online again, when you join, what the hell are you doing?
Come on.
Then you'll have to have chain armor. If you wanna join me, then you can.
But no killing.
I'm not his. There will be killing. Like we're gonna verse each other. First, we're gonna do this creative. There will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 parts or more. And don't hysterize if like I don't do any more, because that's because I've got more parts to do, like guest playlists on Roblox and that.
Yeah.
So that's the
Well, no, Steve.
what is this?
Red Spartan.
No,
I'm not good at it. I'm just gonna be better.
right now.
I'm not good.
Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6.
That looks like a puff.
Yeah, this is gonna be the first tower.
It looks like a puff.
This is catching grass. It eats grass. It's like. It looks so good.
Then
Oh, what you doing here?
then it turns. Then when it eats it, then it turns into dirt.
Yeah, of course.
Well, I can see it. But I can see more dirt. Wait, is that dirt? No, that
No. No. Out you go.
What? They're eating grass.
No, animals need grass.
Oh, a lot of cows around. Look at all them cows down there. Oh my. We'll be able to make leather, won't we?
Yeah, if we were now become, yeah.
No, come on. Also, we need some cobblestone to make stone stuff. So we won't be able to make chain armor. That looks like a giant pearl.
Yeah, it will look like that. I'll have more to
I'll see you. I don't move, I'll see you.
You can do a little one, I don't care, you can do whatever.
You're down there. No. I saw you. Wow, I can see some. I can see the effect. I see ya. I see you now. Yeah. I see the effect when you far away though. I can see the effect. You can see it. You can see the effect. Why did I even do this? Don't need that. Well, I want no death messages. It gets annoying.
Yeah,
Turn it off then.
what is even death messages?
It's when he dies, shows you a death message.
Oh no, that's what.
Turn it off then.
Wait. Okay, my first tower
Settings.
is not gonna
Wait.
work.
Help and options. Settings. Use the interface and this messages. I really like that thing here. I really like this. What's the chicken doing here? It looks real. Just look at it. Look at it.
First tower is done of my castle.
Oh.
Okay, some dotted. Wait, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. So now.
Oh, come on. Got him. So, The chicken looks real, doesn't it?
A bit, yeah.
Yeah, it is. Wait. My stop. Wait, let me get your butt. Let me get your butt. You slap it. Slap. Let's slap its butt. Wait, making it like a tutorial. Yeah?
A bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it's like a tutorial one.
1, 2.
I'm gonna watch how you build. Why do you make a P there? A puff.
It has to look like a park. Really.
Should I help you?
Yeah.
Cobblestone.
No stone.
Oh.
It's stone. I know, it looks like cobblestone, right?
Yeah. It is. I need them instead.
Okay, the door will be here. Just here.
Wait, let me get potion.
How big is it?
Okay.
11.
I don't know where my sight is. Display the hand.
11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
No, I
8,
really
9,
need the
10,
hard.
11.
Actually. I need hand.
Wait, let me see this again.
Here.
Okay. 1,
No, I don't need them.
2,
There we go. Now
4,
I
5,
know the
6,
side.
10.
Come on. I lost my sight now.
Okay, so that's a 10.
Am I going right?
What am I doing? Oh my god. 1,
No, my sight.
4, 5,
No, it's not like that.
10. Let's build like here now.
Or, yeah! What are you doing?
Let's build one towers. Towers of these right now.
Wait, you need one that where you can shoot from.
Yeah, these are the shooting towers. Oh, I'm not gonna shoot it.
Have it? Oh. Into the roof now.
No, you can't build. Hey, no! What the hell? What are you doing? There's no roof on towers. Have you ever? You know Castle Miner? No, the game you play? Yeah. Oh, it's right here.
The Borderlands still hasn't got a castle.
Come on.
No, come on. Come on. There.
There we go.
Looks nice. Wait, let me display these two. Let's check it out. Wow, it looks epic. No, let me do it. Wait, let me look.
Wait.
No, actually, that's actually high up. It's actually high up. What? And then, when they build, while they build, they fast forward it, don't they?
Yeah, but we can't really don't know how. Yep, of course we knew what we expect.
Oh,
I'm not trying to be mean to you.
no joke.
What is that?
Swiftness. 3 minutes.
Yeah, this is 4 minutes.
We're actually getting you.
No. You're way far away from now. No, what hell?
Look, it's getting in it.
Oh, darn.
much minutes have we got now?
Still. But don't get me.
Why?
I don't want to have the swiftness. I want to have my 4-minute one.
Oh.
Kill the animals on it. Don't mind.
If you want. No, not. Look, without any sight. Oh, I shot it! Without any sight. Look. Animal shot. Nope. Animal shot. No. What? How? Look. Look at all that.
Oh, I'm so missing this.
Oh, what's that?
Hello.
Give it away! I'm hold the weed for me.
I'm away. Away.
Ooh! Any sight, without any sight. Eyes not coming.
Okay, take that now. And stop shooting.
Oh,
I've got weight.
yeah.
I've got weight. Come on.
No, I don't need to do it. No, I'm not shooting. No, boing.
Come on, you said you're gonna help me.
Boing.
Can't
not gonna end
see
that.
helping.
Shall I place torches?
No, not yet. Not until it's all done. This will take a lot of time. No, what are you
It's
doing?
alright. It's alright.
No, that was nature though.
Nah. Oh! Damn. Come on, I'm breaking stuff. Got it. One. I've got one piece of leather. Why do I need rubies?
I don't know.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, this will be massive. Okay, let's not do this today, because that would take a lot of time. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.